You've seen the proof that iGen delivers print quality second to none. But iGen is much more than package printing. XMPie technology, exclusively from Xerox, lets you choose and arrange text and images to make maximum impact on each individual who gets one of your packages, whether it's a run of 25 or 2,500. The key is XMPie UDirect software, developed specifically to unlock the potential of iGen's variable data printing. You direct the creation of your packaging from any internet connection anywhere. Type in text, import pictures, then show how you want to customize individual cartons, groups of cartons, or both. Once your order's complete, XMPie takes over, firing off your design data to the Midyork press and relaying your customization instructions to iGen. Flawless printing, low cost, efficient die cutting and gluing. Imagine the impact when a product sold for a school or group fundraiser arrives with a personal thank you printed right on the box. And what could be more memorable than this custom birth announcement? Packaging that speaks to people individually, affordable, and available now from Xerox and the Midyork Press.